Namaste and welcome to Voices of India. I am Devisha Jatakia, your host and founder of Apni Indian Gali. We feature Indian brand and people who are shaping the future of India with their work, art, innovation, and passion. We celebrate and promote local voices through various initiatives like interviews, brand promotions, collaborations, reviews, etc. For today's episode, we have the pleasure of welcoming Sarah with us. She's the brilliant mind behind Love and Flower to our interview. With nearly a decade of experience, Sarah has worked as a chef in renowned hotels such as the Taj Mahal Palace and the Trident Mumbai. As a child, she was always a foodie and a loyal lover of desserts. She puts her heart into everything, whether it's sticking to eco friendly practices or creating delicious treats. So let's learn about Sarah's journey and what makes Love and Flower so amazing and so special. So let's welcome Sarah. Friends, so we have Sarah with us. Hey Sarah, welcome to Voices of India.
Hi, thank you so much, Divisha, for having me. It is truly an honor to be here.
Likewise, the pleasure is mutual. So Sarah, before we start this episode, tell us what inspired you with your baking journey and with Love and Flower. It's a very beautiful name. I loved it.
Oh, thank you. I want to tell you that I have done a lot of brainstorming before starting the brand, especially regarding the brand's name.
Okay.
Now, of course, it's been like really long. It's been like almost we've completed almost 10 years. Like next year we'll complete 10 years. This year we just
Wow.
touched nine. But I remember very distinctively that when I was coming up with the name, I had like jot down to two names, two last names that we were there, and I remember that there was one of the names had like something baking company ऐसे written, कुछ तो था ऐसे, okay, and and then there was one which was Love and Flower, and then there was one more. So the other name I clearly I don't remember. I'm really bad at this, but basically I remember that I had gone to every individual, who was like at the time really close to me, and I was like जिसके ओपिनियंस मुझे मैटर करते हैं,
Hmm.
तो मैं
Hmm.
उनके पास गई, हमने बोला देखो मेरा ये प्लान है, आपको बस इन तीन नाम में से एक नाम चुन के मुझे देना है, दैट्स इट. And I went to like whatever parents, family, siblings, everyone, cousins or whatever friends, everyone, सबके पास गए, and like did like a whole poll with them, and basically I didn't have to do anything. They only chose the name for me. They were like कि नहीं ये सबसे best है, आप यही करो. I said
Okay.
okay, then we'll this is the name, this is what stuck through basically. But about
Okay.
the journey and the brand, it's a, if I tell you the story, it's really a one to listen to, and I'll be very honest, I have been waiting to share my story, with someone, or like with to like just put it out there, especially for
True.
women, girls
Hmm.
out there who
Hmm.
are like very they're confused, उनको पता नहीं उनको क्या करना है, they have
Yeah, yeah.
career choosing issues. So I just want to, I would always wanting to share my story. So I basically, I'll take you back thoda sa little, huh? This is around my 12th, okay? So
Okay.
12th is complete. Okay, now you have to choose कि क्या करना है, arts, commerce, science.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
parents were very sure कि ये बच्ची science के लिए तो नहीं बनी है. They were like okay, okay, that उसकी बस की बात नहीं है. And even commerce was something which was, numbers game was very, I had a
Hmm.
very distinct relationship with it, like I was here, numbers was here, it was like that. But and then came arts, so I was like, we were like okay, chalo arts में डाल देंगे, arts कर लेंगे, we'll figure it out what needs to be
Hmm.
done.
Hmm.
And then came the time to kind of like choose which stream you want to go, like in stream in terms of like uh, further branching out in that arts कि आपको क्या करना है, because that also had
Okay.
further options. So I remember very clearly, okay, I had a group of four friends back then, still have them, but like I remember the four of us, हमने साथ में स्कूल खत्म की, हम साथ में कॉलेज एंटर किए, and then comes the time to kind of like decide what needs to be done. So my
Hmm.
friends are filling their forms, okay, and they are nicely writing. They are wanting to do mass media and stuff like that. So I'm also like कि हाँ चलो ठीक है, इनको भी करना है तो मैं भी कर ही लेती हूँ mass media. I also took the form nicely. I filled it up, and I instantly went to my mom. I said, "Mom, just sign this, okay? this is a form to kind of like do the mass media. So she's also like wondering what's it. She sees the form, she's like, you want to do mass media? She's like, do you even know usme hota kya hai, kya karte and all. I was like, no, but my friends are doing it, so it's like,
Exactly.
yeah, it's like, it's okay. So she was like, and that minute was like, just like, oh my god, like if I don't speak up now, this girl is going to completely spoil her career and her life choices. So I remember, और उस क्या हुआ कि coincidentally I had like a whole bunch of cousins also home, who were there for that period of time. They were traveling or something, and they were staying at our house. And it so happened that this was the same night.
Hmm.
And then what happens, she decides to gather all these cousins around, and I'm the youngest cousin, okay, I'm the last of my generation. She gathers everyone in the hall, and they were like, ये देखो, ये निकम्मी को मास मीडिया करना है, इसको मास मीडिया का पता भी नहीं है क्या है, what's what, and she wants to. So she gathered everyone, she made everyone sit, and she was like, आप लोग बताओ, put her something in her head, what needs to be done. And
Hmm. Hmm.
and the thing is, I have always been a foodie. I have always been a lover of desserts. It's just that कि मुझको realize नहीं हुआ, कभी कभार ऐसा होता है, you don't realize
Ah,
it, कि
true.
आपको है वो चीज. So all these cousins जिसके साथ I've been growing up, they're like कि अरे तुम तो इतना बनाती हो, खिलाती हो, पकाती हो, करती हो, why are you not branching that out as a career option? And
True.
I'm just innocently sitting in that center of that circle, just clueless of what needs to be done. Okay, so cut to, eventually I decided to go for hotel management. I did my hotel management degree course from Anjuman Islam IHMCT. And then I have worked with the Taj and the Oberoi and the Trident hotels for like good enough time. I've done my internship in the Taj, and
Hmm.
so basically I was placed there. I was like cut to, finished with the internship, finished with everything, and then to jobs. So I was placed in the Oberoi and the Trident. I was working there. But again, hua यूं कि what happened was, during my hotel management course,
Hmm.
during my internship, basically when I was in Taj, I realized that desserts are like my true calling. Okay, मतलब it was just like ऐसे वो अंदर आया, मुझे पता नहीं कैसे हुआ, but it's just that that feeling sunk in where I was like, and I remember this also very clearly. I was in Taj ka dessert baking counter. I mean, their section, their kitchen,
Sections.
their
Hmm.
dessert kitchen, and I am in the freezer, and I am piping out desserts for a buffet, okay, that needs to go. So, and I'm in the freezer freezing like completely, and I have like a whole tray of 50 or 70 of them, and I'm nicely piping it out. And just literally at that time, it was like, it just came to me. I'm like,
It just came to me.
this is it.
Yes, Sarah, this is it.
यही करना है मुझे लाइफ में,
ये
दिस इज
करना है.
बिकॉज इट वाज जस्ट लाइक कि आप फ्रीजर में -20-40 डिग्रीज में आप बैठे हो, आप
Hmm.
शेफ कोट
Hmm.
पहन के, और आपके सामने 50-60 डिजर्ट्स पड़े हैं जो आप कॉन्स्टेंटली
Yeah,
पाइप आउट कर रहे हो.
hmm.
आई मीन इन दोज conditions you suddenly have like a realization, and you are like, yeah, you know what, this is what I want to do. I'm okay doing this in 40 degrees, so I don't have a problem. So it was like an eye-opening moment for me. It was like a
Hmm.
कि like अब करना तो यही है. And then what happened was, we finished our internship. We came back to finish our clear our degree and everything, and then we were placed. When we were placed, I clearly remember I'd gone to my executive chef at the Trident back then, and nicely I'm telling him, chef, please put me in a baking kitchen. I really want to be in the desserts, because they are my true calling, and chef, I know I will do a great job, and this and that. He has a nice conversation with me. Yeah? He's like, yeah, yeah, okay, of course, absolutely, beta, you this, that. He does. I step out. Half an hour, 1 hour later, I come to know I have been put in the buffet counter.
Really.
And I was just like, I mean, I'm just thinking, ki, I spoke to you, I told you my inhibitions, I told you my this thing, and yet you're putting me in, buffet,
Hmm.
and I'm just like, okay, fine, chalo, theek hai. I said, chalo, I'll do it. So I did it. I was at buffet for a good amount of time, but
Hmm.
then eventually, what I realized in the hotel life was that everything is too monotonous. आप
Hmm.
वही सुबह उठो, वही सुबह जाओ, काम करो.
True.
And वो ही constant, वो ही streamline of work है. There is no creative work that you are putting in.
putting
especially
in.
for the counter that I was in, buffet, because वही आप खाना डाल रहे हो, खाना निकाल रहे हो, खाना वो clear कर रहे हो वगैरह. So it's like, you were like, मतलब मेरा जो creativity level था ना, वो ऐसे ऐसे मुझे नीचे गिरता हुआ दिख रहा था,
And then you get really frustrated with कि like मैं
Yes,
कर क्या रही हूँ अपनी life के साथ? What is
yes.
happening?
So that actually happened. The
Mhm.
frustration point came up to me where I remember one fine day I just came home, and the thing is ki Devisha, I was pulling 14 hours every day, okay, in that kitchen. Okay, and this is the story of any streamlined story of any
Mhm.
chef that is
Mhm.
working in any commercial kitchen. आपको minimum 10-12, 10 भी मैं कम बोल रही हूँ, 12 घंटे तो आपको करना ही है,
करना
you
ही
know,
है, right?
without fail, yeah. तो मतलब अगर आप 12 घंटे करके निकल गए तो that's a happy day for you. Like you have checked out early, you have punched out early, you know. It's like 14 hours तो कहीं नहीं minimum. It's like that. तो 12
Hmm.
घंटे अगर आपको मिले तो it's like, आज तो you can proudly say कि अरे मैं जल्दी छूट गया. It's like that. So I was pulling 14 hours every day, and it's like that point of stagnation comes, right? You're like, क्या मैं कर रही हूँ लाइफ में, आई
Hmm.
व्हाट एम आई डूइंग,
Hmm.
लाइक आई नो आई हैव फाउंड आउट, बिकॉज समटाइम्स you're like कि आपका कितने लोग का तो फिगर आउट भी नहीं होता उतने टाइम में कि आपको करना क्या है, राइट? देयर आई
Right.
नो people who are like 30 40 still struggling, still wondering what to do, like that. अंदर का जो सुकून कहते हैं, जो सेटिस्फैक्शन कहते हैं कि
हाँ.
आपको आपके काम से जो आता है, like you feel good, you feel proud, you feel like you don't feel like dead or tired or anything
You
from the
feel
inside.
content, वो एक सुकून मिलता
Yeah,
है वो चीज़ करके.
exactly,
फिर
exactly.
चाहे उसमें आप 14 घंटे खड़े रहो या 16 घंटे,
हाँ,
डज़न्ट
आपको
मैटर,
फर्क
बट
नहीं पड़ता.
there is a peace
Exactly.
in doing that work. वो चमक, वो पसीना, लेकिन वो मज़ा अलग है.
Yes,
वो
yes.
सुकून
मतलब
देता
एक
है.
अंदर का सुकून होता है आपको कि हाँ, आज मैंने ये किया, आज मैंने ये सीखा, आज मैंने वो टैकल किया. So that was, for me it was like in those times of when I was doing at the buffet counter, it was like क्या कर रही हूँ मैं, ये क्या कर रही हूँ, मतलब why am I, मेरी creativity is just going for a toss, you know why waste it. So it
Hmm.
was just that one fine day I just came home, and I don't know, maybe my cycle was aligned. I don't know what it was, but I just came and I just broke down. And I was like, यार नहीं हो रहा है यार मुझसे, ये नहीं हो रहा है मुझसे. आप बोल रहे हो मुझे, आप मुझे डिजर्ट्स में कुछ भी दे दो, आप मुझे क्रिएशन पॉइंट ऑफ कुछ भी दे दो, I'll do it. But
Hmm.
and I knew I had done it, because I, like, if my realization point was that in that freezer I was, my
Hmm.
awakening call came. So I was like, yeah, you put me in any extreme condition, I will be happy to work as long as I'm
Right.
working with, the thing that I love the most.
Hmm.
But and then nothing. Then I just came home. I was like really broken down. I was like, nahi ho pa raha hai mujhse ye. Um, so like family, I have to tell you, touchwood, I come from a very 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 supportive family, and I really want to say this because like I come from a Muslim household. So like Muslims in general, like stereotype of Muslims का जो
Hmm.
paint of picture होता है दिमाग में, it's like what कि एक तो anyways घर की बच्चियां काम नहीं करती. So
नहीं
in my
करती,
case,
right.
if I'm gotten out to be working as a employee of such reputed companies, and to be able to pull to 14 12 hours every day, then like I really consider myself coming from a very very supportive family. So when I went to him and them, and I reached out and I said, listen, this I don't think is. And then eventually they were super supportive. They were like, drop this right now, like drop it. If it's not bringing any happiness to you, drop it. You don't need to do
Stop it.
this. You are not bringing in the bread and butter into the house. We are making you do this so that you can explore your talents, you can explore your
Correct.
creativity,
Hmm.
you can
Hmm.
explore the person you are, and then realize to really bloom into something that will make you bloom, right? So
Absolutely.
then that was it. Like with them, it was very easy. It happened very effortlessly. I went to my company, I put in my papers, I said it's not seems to be working out. And then I remember 2 months I was sitting in my house, literally I can tell you, in my mom's couch, like the hall ka jo couch hai na, wahan par main pali badi thi 2 mahina, because tabhi no work, nothing. I was of course trying and applying for
True.
interviews, but and applying for other companies and all. But I was very, like, I knew itna ki mujhe desserts karna hai. So I was reaching out to all dessert based entities and restaurants even, for that matter. But then I knew I wanted that. And then I'll tell you one fine day, So I had a friend, a really good friend, who was like, so I also want to like give a shout out to my friends back then,
Please
Urvan,
go
Neha,
ahead. Please go
Neha.
ahead. Share it over
I,
here. Make sure
I really want
say
to, because
his or her full name.
no, but
Please go
what I
ahead.
realized, like, having supportive families and friends is like a blessing, is a real blessing.
True. Agreed.
Blessed are the people who have that, because, these friends of mine, like two, especially Urvan, Udvadia, and Mihir Lad, I want to give a shout out to them because they
Guys,
really
listen. This is applause for you.
pushed me, and they were like, तुझे आता है bro, तू करती है, तू बनाती है. And I used to actually always, हम मिलते थे, करते थे, तो I used to always make something, and I was like, देख आज
Hmm,
ये try,
hmm,
आज ये बनाया है, try करके देख,
hmm,
बता
hmm,
कैसे है, ये वो. So both of them were always like कि तू खुद क्यों नहीं करती, why don't you do it?
hmm,
And
hmm.
I'm like, नहीं यार, मुझसे नहीं होगा. Like, I don't know how, I don't even know two things about how to get this done. And my confidence level was zero. Okay, because I was like, मुझसे तो होगा ही नहीं अकेले से. Like, I'd rather do job somewhere and do something.
Hmm,
But
hmm.
those 2 months, these two friends of mine have boosted me, and how much, to a level that, like that I'm actually sitting in front of you and having this interview today. So really shout out to these guys. They were really the pillars, and of course my family, like, they were like, tu kar le, you do it. And then,
Hmm,
actually the
hmm.
thing is, मेरा क्या था ना, कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत लो था. मुझे पता नहीं था कि मेरा डायरेक्शन क्या है, मैं कैसे करूं, क्या करूं, what is the way forward,
Yeah,
how do you
way
approach,
forward.
how do you
Hmm, hmm,
start things. So I had whatever knowledge I had was in my creativity, in my baking, and like the recipes and everything that I do, the creation that I do. This bit I really didn't know much, but they really boosted me. I took their help, I took my family's help, and my brother, shout out to my brother. Like, he was really like, me and my brother are like literally like this, like we are opposites, we never match. We मतलब इतना, आप बोलो एक सीधा सा हाय बोलना है ना, मैं उसको हाय भी नहीं बोलूंगी, या वो मुझे हाय भी नहीं बोलेगा. हम लोग इतने ऐसे हैं. But like, at that dire time of need, when I needed the advice, when I needed the
hmm,
help,
hmm,
he
hmm.
was like there the most, and he was like, tu kar. And like, I remember when I had started it off, like I had started off very small, like just intimate friends and family को बस
Hmm.
ऐसे WhatsApp पे मैसेज डाल डाल के रीच आउट किया था कि hey guys, I've started it, and ऐसे वैसे and all. Like, my mom was still a little kind of skeptical कि बच्ची कर पाएगी या नहीं,
कर
क्योंकि
पाएगी.
she was like, हाँ, she, like mom का जो confidence level होता है वो तो like, every kid में
Hmm.
it's the same, like moms have little trust in their kids कि they like कर पाओगी या नहीं, ये निकम्मी बच्ची कर पाएगी या कुछ. But like, like shout out to my brother, because my brother was the one who was like कि अरे mom, don't dishearten her. नहीं नहीं सारा, you do it, you do it. Every day I would
हो
wake up
जाएगा.
like, अरे यार, आज कुछ हुआ नहीं है. And then, slowly, gradually, I started getting work. And then, like, I would wake up and be like, okay, I have work today. So my brother would be like, oh, that's great. Like, he would every day say two things to boost my morale. You know,
Hmm.
uh, so that I have realized that those things, those nuances are very very important. Like, ऐसे आपकी relation इतनी healthy है या नहीं, doesn't matter. But if it's at that teaching point, at that
Good
growing
point.
point, if somebody is really giving you that boost, and you really take up on that boost, because आपका लेना भी वो बहुत important है.
Exactly. वो push करना है, लेकिन you also have to respond.
Yeah,
Very true.
like your response also needs to be really correct, because maybe somebody can take it in another way also. Like, अरे
True.
वो तो बोल रहा है, ऐसे ही बोल रहा होगा, मेरी मस्ती कर रहा होगा. It can go either way. But the fact that he gave it, and I took it with that response, it was just something that was like, like a real, like, till date I'm like grateful that I have taken that step and I've done it. I remember distinctly one day particularly. This is, I think, about 3-4 months into my starting my business.
Hmm.
4 महीना 5 महीना हो गया होगा, आप समझो. एंड एक दिन मैं उठ के, मैं मेरा काम करना चालू कर दिया है. और मॉम इज अक्रॉस द टेबल एंड शी इज डूइंग हर बैंक का कुछ काम. And suddenly she just noticed this, that I'm around and I'm doing my work, and she's like into it, and she's like, suddenly she goes up and she's like, तुझे ऑर्डर आया है क्या? Like, she's got that thing that somebody's
Just
ordered
got the
from you.
smart order.
Yeah, and that look and that face of hers that I still have that memory, where she was
uh,
like, order aaya hai tujhe, she was like that thing that, oh, like, oh, so they are
hmm.
reaching out to her, like, oh, she is getting work, oh, like, she is capable, that
Hmm.
thing. And I could
Hmm.
see
Hmm.
that on her face. That day for me was just like, Sarah, you have arrived.
Yeah,
At
right.
least
But
for your
you were on the
parents and
right
your family,
path.
you have arrived. Because after that day I didn't like feel that, अरे like अरे निकम्मी बच्ची है या
Hmm.
इससे क्या
Hmm.
होगा, types, that day, वो दिन था, और अभी इतने मतलब दिन आ गए, और आज का दिन है, it's like, when there are days when I don't have orders also,
Yeah.
even days, like there are
Hmm. Yeah.
days, 2 days for us, I'm like, I'll go to mom, mom will be like, I'll be like, mom, there are no orders today. She's the one who's telling me now, अरे तू टेंशन मत ले, आ
तुझे
जाएगा.
तो आ जाएगा.
Don't worry about it. Now I don't worry about it. Like literally she tells me, like, now I don't worry about it. If you wasted for, you made yourself consistent for so many years,
So
there are a few
obviously.
days where you don't feel like that.
So it's like,
So
you are responding and you waited and you welcomed that change. You took that bold step as to,
yes,
okay, this is it. This is my calling. So friends, that was a really heart to heart conversation where, Sarah just opened up, you can take ये पूरा episode ही एक पूरी inspiring journey है उसकी.
yeah.
Every point that she shared was by heart. So I'm sure there are many people who are looking for this
I
kind of
really hope.
inspiration. Yes, they
I
are. They are.
really
Trust
hope
me.
people get inspired, because
They
like
will.
अगर मेरे जैसी झल्ली कर सकती ना, तो I feel like कोई भी कर सकता है, कोई भी, because it's just that, Devisha, there's one more thing, like, it also matters like how much you're willing to put in it. Like, see, I come from a privileged household. It's not like I am coming from a mediocre
Upcoming or
family
struggling.
or
Yeah.
something like that. I'm coming from a privileged household. It's as growing up, we've really had nothing to complain. We've been super grateful and this and that. So, पेरेंट्स के दिमाग में कैसे वॉइस एक था, एक माइंडसेट था कि अरे इसको तो सब कुछ मिला है हाथ में,
कर
ये
पाएगी कि
क्या
नहीं?
करके देगी, ये क्या करेगी, या
वो
व्हाट विल
क्यों
शी डू,
करेगी? वो
क्यों
सब चीजें
करेगी.
आ जाती है, बीइंग इनटू एन इंडियन फैमिली, सेड एनी
करेक्ट.
कल्चर और रिलीजन, लेकिन वो जो एक सेट स्टैंडर्ड होता है, वो हर कहीं पे रेप्लिकेट होता है. सो समवेयर आई कुड
करेक्ट.
आल्सो सी माई सेल्फ इन सम इट्स एंड बिट्स पार्ट कि हाँ भाई, इसका जर्नी कहीं ना कहीं मेरे जैसा ही है. Trust me, when
सिमिलर है
there
ना.
were a lot of things happening when I start, when I was thinking about अपनी Indian गली and when we conceptualized it and वो
हम्म.
launch किया हम लोगों ने, then again and that was a phase, एक phase आ गया था when I was wondering कि मैं सही कर रही हूँ कि मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ. I went into my shell, like, जैसे आपने बोला कि मैं 2 महीने कुछ नहीं करती, मैं literally ये चीज खड़ा करके मैं 2 महीने कुछ नहीं कर रही थी, मैं सोच रही थी कि मैं क्या करूँ. And then they were like, there are people and there are, they come as angels and guides in your life, कि they push you कि no,
ओ.
this is it. And then you feel कि नहीं भाई, तुम्हें दुनिया के लिए you're meant to have, you have that caliber, create this platform, let the voices of people, let the voices of India reach to the world through this. And that was my calling. I was like, okay, done, no looking back, no looking back.
And actually, when you're within yourself, you are content that, मतलब इतना है, मैं इतने में भी खुश हूँ, बट मैं खुश हूँ, अंदर से
Push you.
खुश हूँ.
True.
मुझे और इसके आगे, like, it's okay if I don't get it, but I am internally happy.
Happy, you're
And
content.
it's, yeah, and more importantly, it's like, वो कहते हैं ना, आपका wake up juice क्या है,
हाँ.
this is like that wake up juice, कि आप नींद में भी उठा के बोलो कि चलो केक बनाना है, अच्छा अच्छा, नींद में भी मैं आंख
हो
बंद करके
जाए.
ये बना लूंगी, मुझे पता है क्या करना है. या नींद
So
में भी आप आपका वॉइसेस ऑफ इंडिया का आप कर
करोगे
लोगे,
तो
आप
वो आ
बोलोगे अच्छा
जाएगा.
ठीक है, ये करना है, ये करना है, ये
चलो ले
करना है.
लो, कर लो.
Yeah, it comes very naturally to you,
Naturally.
and that is
So
that is
very
the beauty
quickly,
of it.
we are running out of time. So very
Yes.
quickly, tell us, how do you feel about being featured on Voices of India? Very
I
quickly.
feel absolutely amazing. I am so happy and I'm so glad that I got the opportunity to connect with you. And I want to take this minute out to say that what even you're doing, Divisha, is really amazing. Reaching out to, small brands, people who don't have such big budgets, and kind of highlighting them and putting their stories across. That is very, very important. I'm so grateful. I'm going to make sure to kind of reach out to other people who can actually be on your
Yeah,
portal and even share their
please do.
stories with you, so that the brand and the entity reaches more bigger heights.
Yes, thank you so much. And that's what we are looking for. Thank you, friends. And I'm sure this was a very beautiful soul connect conversation. And we'll also have Sarah again because I have lot many things to ask her about this business that she's doing,
For sure.
because she is into lot many things. She's into, eco-friendly stuff, and she's, balancing out the wastages and personalized orders. So I have lot many things to discuss with Sarah. So we'll see her in a second episode of this same episode, part two.
Absolutely.
Stay tuned. Please like, subscribe, and share to Apni Indian Gali. Thank you.